GH Cranes and Components, based in Beasain, Guipúzcoa, is one of the world's leading manufacturers of cranes and lifting systems. The company was founded in 1958 in Beasain by four brothers, initially focusing on repairing electrical and radio equipment, as well as manufacturing washing machines and motorized cultivators. Gradually, GH expanded nationwide, specializing in hoist, that is the essential mechanism responsible for the lifting on a crane. And then over the time, this growth extended to cranes and lifting systems. In the 90s, GH began its international expansion, first entering France and later establishing a presence in more countries. Today, the company operates 10 production plants worldwide and is active in 60 countries through subsidiaries and distributors. One of the GH case or strengths is that we manufacture in-house all the components of the crane, including the electrical motor. Our challenges include continuing our international expansion and tapping into markets like the United States, where we are building a new production plant. Although we have been in the American market for 10 years, this new production plant represents a significant investment in our commitment to the region. With this addition, the new plant will join our existing facilities in Mexico, which has a 30 years history, and Brazil, which have 25 years of experience. Additionally, we aim to continue advancing in the automation and digitalization of the cranes to provide real added value to our customers, while maintaining a strong focus on the energy efficiency of our solutions. Historically, we have an in-house configurator that provides real-time solutions for both the commercial and technical office levels, delivering the required product at any given moment. While these requests were already being fulfilled, we need to take the next step, that is the step to the transition to the 3D. This shift was driven by market demands and GH's commitment to offering better solutions for our customers. DriveWorks, as a 3D design configurator, has significantly reduced our design time, around 50%. One of our biggest challenges has been the variability of overhead cranes and gantry cranes. Our product range is so extensive that only a configurator like DriveWorks allows us to provide a fast and consistent response to this project with different scopes and variations. So we need a tool that not only reduces the design time across all these variables, but also liberates the work already developed internally within GH applications. So DriveWorks has enabled us to utilize our established knowledge database, while now our answer is in 3D for our customers. The objectives were to reduce design time and cover all the products that we developed here internally at GH. The implementation began several years ago, primarily within the R&D department. Of course, this was made with the support of the IT department and other key stakeholders within the company. Currently, we provide a higher quality response to our customers, requesting 3D models for inclusion in their layouts, and achieving one of our main objectives, that is delivering a superior service from GH to our clients. One of the first requirements was to leverage all the previous development we had already established within the company. For this, we need a tool that was versatile in this aspect. DriveWorks has perfectly fulfilled this goal, seamlessly integrating with the rest of the company's tools and primarily using the internal developed databases. We have managed to reduce design errors by 25% and provide a more precise response using the 3D tools, which has streamlined the manufacturing process of our cranes and improve our services to the customer. Additionally, this has allowed us to be up to 50% faster in the 3D design for our projects, giving us more time to focus on innovation and internal product development. This impact has been particularly significant in our R&D department. DriveWorks allows us to reach the final product much faster, saving time and money in the process, both at the technical office level and in commercial operations. Additionally, we will be extending these services through our website, making the choice of DriveWorks a complete success in this regard. SolidBee is a highly experienced local provider that has been vital in bringing this project to fruition. From the beginning, their commitment to us was key to the project's success, guiding us in the decision making. Personally, I believe it is essential to find a good travel companion when working with the 3D tools. You need someone who can assist you whenever needed and keep you informed about the future changes and updates. In this regard, SolidBee has consistently suggested ways to improve and has kept us updated to maximize the performance of our 3D and configurator tools. The company now is focused on automating its lifting systems to operate either fully automatically or at least semi-automatically. This includes the integration of artificial vision systems for object detections and automate handling. In cases where full automation is not possible, GH is developing advanced operator assistance systems to enhance productivity and safety in the workplace, comparable to IDAS used in the automotive industry. As for advice for those starting with DriveWorks, I would recommend first to be patient, prioritizing the planning of a product roadmap with the guidance from the distributors, of course. This approach allows for a structured project timeline, enable different parts to be developed in parallel without having to tackle the entire product at once.